Our hands and minds can do wonderful things. और आज मैं आपको मिलवाने वाला हूँ अपने एक ऐसे दोस्त से जो यही करता है. He makes wonderful things with buttons, rubber bands and a piece of cloth. और वो इससे कुछ भी बना सकता है. It's almost like magic. Did I mention he makes all of this using just buttons? Well, a lot of buttons.
Hi everyone, my name is Anuj Sharma. People know me as Button Masala. But I studied design at NID Ahmedabad and studied apparel or fashion, whatever you call it. And I came up with this idea about how to make clothes without stitching, and this is what I go around the world traveling and teaching. That's what I do for living and for joy. Besides that, I can just play anytime. Badminton, frisbee, carom, whatever game. I love sports. So I enjoy traveling and anything around traveling. So mountains, beaches. Now I'm in Goa and sometimes I write, I talk. ज्ञानी है, ज्ञानी, बहुत ज्ञानी लड़का है.
Alright, so इससे पहले कि हम लोग बैठ जाएं, we sit down and start talking about Button Masala and अनुज अपने जर्नी के बारे में बात करें. I thought it'll be great कि अनुज एक छोटा सा डेमो करके दिखाए कि बटन मसाला है क्या. Because you know it's a really interesting, unique technique that you have कि ये बटन्स लेके, रबर बैंड्स लेके मतलब डिफरेंट गारमेंट्स बना सकता है, अलग अलग स्टाइल के आउटफिट्स बना सकता है, कॉस्ट्यूम्स बना सकता है, कुशन कवर्स बना सकता है, टेंट्स बना सकता है, मतलब जो बोलो वो बना सकता है. It's almost like magic, man. So do you want to show the magic to us?
मतलब अगर बाद में किसी को लगेगा ये तो बहुत आसान है तो प्लीज़ बुरा मत मानिएगा, क्योंकि मतलब इतना आसान है कभी कभी कि मुझे जब कोई कहता है बहुत बढ़िया है, कोई बहुत तारीफ़ करता है जैसे तुम कर रहे हो, फिर मैं बताने लगता हूँ ये तो बहुत ही आसान है. हाँ तो नहीं, बहुत ही आसान है. इट्स दिस रबर बैंड्स, वी यूज़ दिस डेंटल रबर बैंड्स जो ब्रेसेस में लगते हैं. यू कैन यूज़ एनीथिंग राउंड. वी डोंट यूज़ कॉइन बटन्स एनीमोर, बट एनीथिंग राउंड. तो सिक्का भी हो सकता है, कैप्स भी हो सकते हैं, कोई प्रकार का पत्थर भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं. तो वो है. और फैब्रिक, 3 चीज़ें चाहिए. तो आपको ये एक छोटा सा मैं अपने टी शर्ट पे ही करके दिखाऊंगा कि ये बटन है. इस बटन को आप या सीक्वेंस है, इसको हाथ में पकड़ के इस तरह से रबर बैंड को धीरे से प्यार से घुमाइए, ज़्यादा खींचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो ये यहाँ पे जुड़ गया. अब ऐसे कैसे एक और बटन ले सकते हैं. समझिए कि आपका अगर टी शर्ट टाइट करना है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा ढीला है तो ये इतना टाइट करना, तो इसको दूसरा मैंने एक बटन लगाया है. अब इसको जोड़ना है तो ऐसे धीरे से इसको जुड़ गया. सो आई हैव नाउ समथिंग which has tightened my t-shirt. It is, yeah, so I can open it up again. So depending on so this is a joinery system. So it's a very simple system which allows anything to be joined to anything. Now I can also open this up, for example, and shift it up, है ना. अगर ऐसे नहीं और मुझे टी शर्ट लंबा लग रहा है और मुझे छोटा करना है थोड़ा सा, तो ये इसको यहाँ पे लगाया और इसको ऐसे किया तो ये छोटा हो गया. I can make a garment and show how a garment can be made, or fabric, like how it starts from a fabric, from a scratch. अब मैंने इसको लिया है और यहाँ पे मैंने एक जैसे पकड़ना था वैसे पकड़ लिया, इस तरह से पकड़ के इसको ये रबर बैंड लगा दिया है. So I have a like a nice button here. I can take another button like I showed you. Now अगर जैसे हवाएं चल रही हैं, उड़ रहा है और हमें मतलब इसको कंट्रोल करना है, तो मुझे अब ये बटन यहाँ लगाना पड़ेगा इसके साथ जोड़ने के लिए. थोड़ा सा गैप रख के और ये जुड़ गया. अब इसको हमें सिर्फ इस तरह से जोड़ देना है तो ये मेरा जुड़ गया.
Look at that, how amazingly simple it is. Normally लोग क्या करते हैं, पिन
लगाते हैं, तो बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है.
This looks beautiful. मतलब एक छोटा सा आपने कॉइन अंदर डाल दिया है. Because of that, it has created this really nice sort of like a motif or design here. You know, it creates interesting pattern. And so for someone like me जिसको hoodies पहनने का शौक है, आसानी से hoodie बन सकता है.
अब ये यहाँ पे आके ये यहाँ पे hoodie बन गया.
Look at that.
So that's now if I want to attach this to this, like for example, so I want to make a jacket. I'm, let's say, going at a very high speed somewhere and it is flying off. I can just simply put this here and I want to attach this to this place, and all I have to do is now just take another rubber band, this. Yeah, so I have now this. So I can keep attached. Yeah, I can sleeve. I can attach this to this. Yeah, I can attach this again, or I can just simply take this and attach two of, just one button here, put that on top of it and then attach. So it can...
Can you see that? How quick that is? It's just like 5 minutes he has this cool jacket sort of a thing with a hoodie.
And now it's done. So if I want this also to be connected, I can just connect this with this. Yeah. Okay, yo baby.
Look at that. Dance का तो पता नहीं, but outfit is amazing. And look at this.
No,
You bring this down.
Down, yeah. Then it becomes
looks like a
like
cool
this
jacket.
jacket. Yeah. So we have this key which can be attached anywhere. So let's say I lose my keys, so I can just put the key here and so इसको पकड़ के मैंने रबर बैंड लगा दिया टाइट सा, थोड़ा गुम ना जाए इसलिए टाइट लगाया, 4 राउंड लगा दिए. अब ये
There you go.
it makes nice.
चाबी भी वहाँ पे अच्छे से है.
हाँ, कहीं नहीं जानी है.
Lose it and it's created a nice sort of
pattern,
design
yeah.
pattern.
Yeah. So you can basically do anything. Like this is a flower. ये एक फूल है. So you have just a button and 2 pieces of fabric cut into small pieces, and now this can be attached onto this side again, and it's done.
Look at that.
So-
सिर्फ 2 छोटे fabric के
दो,
pieces,
तीन,
एक
चार.
button and rubber band, and you have a interesting. तो कभी आपको लग रहा है कि your outfit is looking too dull or boring, you can easily
Easily, yeah.
add things to it. Nice. You know what I'm thinking? A lot of my viewers, they love comic books.
That, yeah. You can make.
want to make your own costume.
Oh, this is. See,
This is
the one
incredible.
thing that I haven't done is costumes, and I know if I get Game of Thrones,
Imagine.
I can like bombard the whole system because it's so simple to make. It's just that
So quick.
it's a very simple process, and I hope people watching us or me or all of us just try doing it. It's so simple that it's unbelievable to me also. मतलब मुझे लगता है भगवान ने मतलब मुझे क्यों चुना इसके लिए, मैं क्यों बता रहा हूँ, ये तो कोई भी कर सकता था.
But this is amazing. Absolutely amazing. All right. Thank you, Anuj. Thank you so much for that amazing demo. But now the obvious question will be कि ये बटन मसाला आया कहाँ से? You know, बटन मसाला की शुरुआत कैसे हुई and how did you come up with the name or such a unique name, button masala? You know, if you can share like that story with us, that'll be amazing.
My life is like for design usually I have huge inspiration. Mine is very small things. Because I was passing by on a street after like 5 shows at Lakme, and I was bored with my own work. But I would criticize it myself because I was doing it well, but I was lazy. So I said I don't want to do like Fashion Week anymore, and I just want to like take a break. So I took a break, and in that break I saw one guy walk past with his button put wrong. Like, you know, sometimes you do that mistake in a hurry. So then I said, what if there were many buttons and many buttonholes? So I kind of put buttons on a piece of fabric and put buttonholes on a piece of strap. So then that combination could make like millions of garments, you know, that's how simple it was. Like, so I just had to put buttons on a piece of fabric, and once I put those buttons and buttonholes were there on the strap, I explored with it and I said, okay, the collection is done. And that's how it came about. The name came much later, like as in I was sitting before the show, like when you have to make those random, like, you know, you have to make notes and explain your collection, you know, you have to write those flowery words. ऐसे नाम भी तो सोचना पड़ेगा. तो मेन गेट पे चाय पी रहा था मैं. So चाय पी रहा हूँ, हाँ. And I'm very good with names. Okay, I consider myself as like pro with names. So I've named many people's companies. So I said button वही जो पिया मन भाई. ऐसे है मेरे बटन के लोगों. Like, you know, those kind of names are coming in, and I'm making, you know, and suddenly button curry, mutton masala. So button masala. And then I said, that's good, and that's it. So it took me exactly like a minute to figure out the name. I had no idea how big it's going to be eventually, what happened. But sometimes now when people call me button masala, I think I should have thought of like a new cool name.
Okay, तो अगर हम मेन गेट की बात कर रहे हैं तो मेन गेट आप लोगों को बताना पड़ेगा क्या है. तो both of us we are from NID, हम दोनों NID से हैं, and main gate was this sort of notorious place जहाँ पे सब लोग इकट्ठा होते थे और बैठ के चाय पीते थे. तो वो चाय एरिया था हमारा जहाँ पे सब लोग बैठ के चाय पीते थे, आइडियाज़ डिस्कस करते थे, अपने नए प्रोजेक्ट्स डिस्कस करते थे, और वहाँ पे बैठ के ही इन्हीं सब बातों में ना नए आइडियाज़ निकल के आ जाते थे. लोग एक दूसरे की थोड़ी बहुत हेल्प करते थे कि आप क्या कर सकते हो, क्या करना चाहिए, हम लोग सही डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं कि नहीं. तो या इट वाज अ फन प्लेस जहाँ पे आइडियाज़ का एक्सचेंज होता था. एंड नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट NID, आप सब लोग को पता है कि मैं भी NID से हूँ. आई डिड माई एनिमेशन फिल्म डिज़ाइन, और अनुज भी NID से है. तो अब अनुज बताएगा कि उसका NID का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा एंड अभी जो वो कर रहा है बटन मसाला, तो उसमें NID ने कैसे हेल्प किया.
I'm from, as you know, I'm from Rajasthan, and Jodhpur is where I was, and matlab 12th was difficult to pass, and then I had taken mathematics. I had gone to engineering, like, you know, my parents wanted me to get into engineering. I finally managed to get into BSc. There also I would not go to the college. I had no interest in science because the way it was taught, you know how it is. So finally when one friend of mine told me about NID, and I said, okay, he said you draw well so you can go there. Of course when I reached NID I realized I draw very bad and others are good, so I had very tough time. But when I heard about it, I eventually ended up visiting it, and I was like, okay, ऐसी जगह जाना, कैसा भी होगा यहीं चाहेंगे, और कोई choice भी नहीं था. So I applied at NID. It took me 3 chances to get into NID. So that's the journey. So I started with undergrad entrance, and then eventually I ended up in fashion in my 3rd year in post-graduation. So when I had applied for undergrad and postgrad both, and I got through both, and they eventually thought I was right for the postgrad. So that's how I got into NID. Getting was slightly easier than getting out because getting took me 3 years, getting out took about 4 years, something like that. So that's what happened. 4 साल लगे 2.5 साल के कोर्स को.
And button masala sort of originated there only.
No. Button masala, I mean, I can credit button masala to many things. I can credit button masala to Rajasthan, where I was born and I was using things miserly, like what everyone say, reuse. I used to buy second-hand clothes in my childhood when my mom used to be very angry that why are you buying when you can afford to buy at least, maybe not many, but at least one shirt, when I can say, and why do you go and buy that like old shirt from somewhere? I said, and I never thought of anything. I just thought it was nice and cheap and easy, and why not? What's wrong with it? And the same philosophy is coming around now. But I have believed in it just not because I wanted to save the world, but I wanted to save the money for my own family. So it came from there, and so the basic credit goes to, and then NID of course, tuned it out for me, and then eventually button masala happened much later, like 7, 8, 9 years after NID. I was never interested in going into fashion. I thought it was too boring for me. I said कि जब मौका मिलेगा तो अपनी पसंद का करेंगे. हाँ.
And talking about मौका मिलेगा, अभी this is a great sort of opportunity. ये आप लोगों को मौका मिला है to hear all these stories. The whole point of doing this series is so that you can meet incredible people like Anuj, all of my friends who are doing fantastic work. Now, it's great that people can watch these videos sitting at home. Internet is really helping people because ये सब जो हम लोग वहाँ सीख रहे थे एक इंस्टीट्यूट के अंदर, अब ये सब नॉलेज उन तक बहुत आसानी से इंटरनेट के थ्रू पहुँच जाए. Social media is really helping. How is social media or internet helping you?
I mean, social media, like before, like I've been teaching. Like one of the understanding I had when I did my Button Masala show, and after which I stopped doing fashion weeks, because I got a realization during the show where this piece of garment, which can become 500,000 garments, people didn't even want to change from one to another. Everyone was so comfortable buying that one piece that they didn't want to even spend a minute after that to understand. They would love the idea, but when you say, okay, convert from this garment to another, they would say, it's okay. One is enough for us. But it's not about greed. It's just that I realized that people are scared of trying out new things. And that's when I realized that, arey bhaiya, loss of faith in your own ability is bigger loss than like loss of water in this world also. Maybe one day there's no water, we'll still survive. But if we have the faith that one day we know that there's no water, we'll die, we'll die. So that's when I started teaching more aggressively around the world. So I've been teaching, and I've been traveling more physical one-to-one basis across the world, taught about a good 35,000-40,000 people individually, going around, and it's given me so much joy. But now when this has happened, it's so much easier to sometimes reach out. Of course, the technique also has to be simple, that you're trying to reach some very complex thing on a computer, then it's a difficult thing. But if the technique is simple, then it's easy to reach out. So now I've been trying out internet more effectively, and it's been doing well. The format has changed a little bit. Good things. Everything has a good thing and a bad thing, and I think internet has it absolute advantage if you smartly use it.
Then tell me this, because you are teaching a lot of young minds, and you're mentoring a lot of young designers. If there is one single most important piece of advice that you can give them, वो क्या होगी? And हमारे viewers भी जो लोग घर पे बैठ के सब देख रहे हैं and they are aspiring artists or designers, तो उनके लिए क्या advice है?
I mean, specifically for designer and artist, I've seen that education of design or any other art form, it gives you an ego. You know, it gives you an ego that I create. I feel that one must first realize that there is everything that has to be created or is possible to create. All the forms and whatever is, it is, the nature is so beautiful. It has done everything. We're just like mimicking it. And if you're mimicking it and then you're still calling it my own, the moment you lose the ego, जिस दिन अहंकार चला जाता है ना, उस दिन मजा आने लगता है. उस दिन आपको दिखने लगता है ज्यादा. आप उसको सिर्फ you're not the creator, you're a transporter, you're like a person who's showing what is already possible. And then you start seeing more imagery because you're not stuck at what's possible in your own mind. Because what comes out of your own mind is what is you've seen. It's only what you've seen, but there is so much more that you've not seen. And the moment you say that you have not seen anything, there is so much more to see, and you can just pick up anything and start from there. So I think ego has to be, the moment you bring your ego to earth, the closer you get your ego to the ground, जितना मिट्टी में उसको मिला दोगे उतना निखर के आओगे, मतलब वो. And I think that patience is needed, and understanding of time and realization that the life isn't too short as you imagine it to be. It's much longer than what you wanted, and if you just let it be, then you're doing it. You're not worried about कि मर जाएंगे, कितना मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस ये सब कर रहे हो, क्योंकि हो जाएगा ना. आप कोई भी चीज, मतलब आप शौकिया तौर पे कूद के सड़क पार करते तो वो पार्कोर बन जाता है. There is no art form. It's how often and how passionately you do something. And if you give it time, it's bound to become an artist or a designer. And if it's done without ego, it's fantastic.
That's great piece of advice, man, and I really think what you're saying makes absolute sense. क्योंकि हम सभी लोग creators हैं, और एक बहुत आसान ये हो जाता है कि क्योंकि आप क्रिएट करते हैं तो आपको लगता है कि हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, बट अगर आप वो अपना ईगो का साइड रखेंगे एंड अपने काम पे फोकस करेंगे तो वो ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस कि योर डिज़ाइन स्टूडियो इज़ स्टिल इन गुजरात. तो इस बारे में भी मेरे को बात करनी है, बिकॉज मोस्ट पीपल दे फील कि अगर आपको एक सक्सेसफुल डिज़ाइनर बनना है, एक सक्सेसफुल ब्रांड चाहिए, तो आपको एक बड़ी सिटी में, एक मेट्रो सिटी में होना पड़ेगा, जैसे कि मुंबई और दिल्ली, बिकॉज वहाँ सारे कनेक्शंस हैं, वहाँ सारे लोग हैं. इट्स ईजियर कि आप वहाँ पे अपने ब्रांड को बड़ा बना सकते हैं, या आप खुद सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हैं. बट यू स्टिल चोज टू लिव इन गुजरात, एंड यू हैव अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल ब्रांड, एक गुजरात में डिज़ाइन स्टूडियो खोल के भी. So what do you have to say about that?
So one of the first reason was not really कि मतलब पहला था सस्ता कि हाँ ये सस्ता है. जहाँ रह रहे हैं अहमदाबाद ही थे. I went to England to study for 2 years. Once I came back from there, because of the food I love in India, I came back to India again without trying out my career in England. And I said, अरे अहमदाबाद NID एक जन्नत है, उसी में बैठ जाओ, मतलब खा रहे हो पी रहे हो, दोस्त है, ज्ञान की बातें हैं, डिजाइन है. तो I hung around. So I'm still hanging around NID. So one, it was cheap. So Ahmedabad gave me that opportunity to be who I wanted to be without being worried about earning the daily life. मतलब जो भी कर रहे खुद करते रहो. तो it's very rare that someone does what they decided to do for 20 years. It's not because they're not pure in their heart and they're not passionate. People give up simply because livelihood itself becomes expensive. Ahmedabad में I don't have to act like a designer. हाँ सारे डिजाइनर मतलब कितना बकवास कर लोगे ना. You can't say, yo dude, look at my design. Somebody like you come and say, look at my work. Then Pratik will come. Then Vaibhav will come, and then like millions of people will walk around and say, you shut up and like say, okay, you're good. It kills your ego. Places like that kills your ego. It's nice to be, and it gives you opportunity to be a reasonable person without fighting everyday life and people on the way.
So you spoke about studying abroad. You spent some time in England. तो बाहर जाके international exposure भी मिला है, and also you have worked with a lot of international brands. So I would like to know कि जब बाहर जाके you are working with them, how does it feel representing India abroad? और वहाँ के जब ब्रांड्स के साथ, बड़े ब्रांड के साथ काम करते हैं तो वो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस होता है?
So, I mean, I have really worked with people of one kind. I have really worked with people of many kinds. Internationally, when you work, the respect is a little more. They understand. They want to understand your work before they want to understand you. They want to understand you through the work you do. I mean, I got one call from Adidas saying we're the Adidas headquarters in Germany in this name that I still find very difficult to pronounce in that village. I said, I'll come. You're paying for it. I'll go. So I did a 3-day, 4-day workshops with them with all kind of people where you had pattern makers of Adidas, beautiful campus and huge atrium, and before that they've only had Sachin Tendulkar and Ranveer Singh representing them. Wow. And they said, third guy from India is you. I said, wow, not bad. So I've traveled and worked with artists in Holland, where I lived with this girl and we made 120 garments in 5 days. She worked more than I did, because she was so excited. I just had to hang around and do a shoot. So I did one workshop last year when we could travel in Switzerland. This thing called IASA, Architecture Association, European Architecture Student Association. They have this 2 weeks, like elective workshops we had at NID, where they invite teachers from all over the world. So I got invited with 2 other artists from here, architect from India. They spotted me and said, you can do what we want to do. So I built like these spaces, tents, with the same technique, how to make tents for refugees. So we worked for 2 weeks with bunch of people from 10 different countries. नाम भी नहीं सुने थे ऐसे countries के in Europe. मगर मजा आता है. So we did these tents that converts into garments and the garments that converts into tents. तो ऐसे खूबसूरत मौके मिलते रहते हैं. यही मजा है. यही डिजाइन का यही मजा है. घूमो.
All right, that was fantastic, man. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And for this session. मुझे ऐसे पता चला था ये इधर आ रहा है. I thought this will be a great opportunity. क्योंकि हम मौके की बात कर रहे हैं तो ये भी एक बहुत ही अच्छा मौका था कि हम लोग साथ में बैठ के ये वीडियो बना सके. और आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं घर पे बैठ के एंड इससे कुछ सीखेंगे आई होप. और ये वीडियो आप लोगों को इंस्पायर करेगा. मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया यार. आई होप आप लोगों को भी मज़ा आया. एंड अभी हम लोग बैठ के NID के बारे में और भी बात करेंगे क्योंकि एक बार NID के दोस्त मिलते हैं तो शुरू हो जाते हैं वहाँ की स्टोरीज़ और पुराने दिन की बातें. सो वील डू दैट. बट इफ़ यू गाइज वांट टू इंटरैक्ट विद अनुज और यू वांट टू लर्न फ्रॉम हिम, कि उसके साथ आपको वर्कशॉप्स करने हैं, कुछ करना है, तो उसके लिंक मैं नीचे डाल दूंगा अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन में. यू कैन गेट इन टच विद हिम, लर्न फ्रॉम हिम, और जस्ट लुक एट हिज वर्क and be inspired, man. Yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this session and the video, and I'll see you guys next time. And abhi we will talk about NID and chill. See ya.